Wow, it's so awesome and actually joyful to hear and see a lot of testimonies from my viewers and my audience that they've started getting a lot of views and a lot of traffic from the United States of America. Hey, that's by watching the first, the second, and the third part of getting views from the USA. My goodness. And so, if I tell you that I am going to help you get more traffic from the United States of America, do well to believe that, because the practice and the teachings that I've been able to give you over here is still helping a lot of people and will continue to help a lot of people. Oh yes. And so in this part 4, in fact, I am going to reveal the number 1 YouTube algorithm hack. I'm going to reveal that to you, and it's going to help you to get more traffic and more views from the US, actually in connection with the first, the second, and the third one. And as I promised in the third part, that this particular one, the part 4 one, is actually has to do with a certain feature in the studio that you need to activate whenever you are uploading the video. So when you do that, in addition to the first, the second, and the third one, in fact, you're going to see massive change within a short possible time. You begin to get more views, more traffic from the US, and it's going to increase your revenue. And there are a number of advantages and benefits when you get more views from the US. And so watch closely. I want you to watch this video so closely, so carefully from start to the end. And hey, try as much as possible to be able to implement it so well, so perfectly, so that you can also begin to get more views from the United States of America, as I've been able to get over here, currently having 37.1% of the views on this my channel coming from the United States of America, topping the top geography. And hey, it's actually helping me a lot, and that is the reason I'm making these episodical videos, to help you on how to actually get more views and more traffic from the US. So without wasting more time, let's get straight away to the YouTube studio. And hey, you're going to be amazed as to that particular feature you need to activate right now. Just do the activation right now whenever you upload the video, and you're going to see the results within a few times. So now in the YouTube studio, currently at the studio, and when you want to get to this side, you need to use the Chrome version. That is, you download the Chrome browser, and then you turn it to PC mode, and then you search for studio.youtube.com. You get to this site. So with this one, as said earlier, whenever you're uploading the video, you're going to see this feature. You need to do that, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you to get more views and more traffic from the United States of America. And you can also do same on already uploaded videos, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's try uploading a new video. Let's select any of my videos, and I'm going to show you exactly this feature, the YouTube studio feature, that you need to activate, so that you begin to get more views and more traffic from the United States of America, in addition to what I've showed you in the first 3 parts of this series of getting views from the United States of America. Let's select that video. Let's wait patiently. And I've always been recommended that whenever you're uploading a video, use the YouTube studio to upload a video, and then you'll be able to get this feature I'm talking about. Okay, yes, I've showed you powerful tricks and powerful YouTube algorithm hacks, all right, the secret ones to be able to get views from the United States of America. Has been helping a lot of people. Actually, over here on my channel, is helping me. America is currently topping. America is topping on my top geography, and then also on my exploration channel, and that of my wife's channel, Vicky's Recipes, as well. You know what? Great. So in this part 4, the YouTube studio feature or setting that you must activate to get more traffic from USA is what we call the category section. That is it, the category, the YouTube category. In fact, when I get to the YouTube category, we have a number of them. Let me show you something. If in this video I'm taking time to show you, because I'm sure you know the YouTube category, you know it long time. So whatever video you upload, you have this feature to select it, either auto and vehicles, comedy, education, whatever. But hey, I'm going to show you something over here that you've not even taken time to understand, and that is going to do the magic. You see, we have comedy, education, entertainment, film, animation, gaming, whatever. There are a number of them, how to and all that. Great. So what you're going to do is, at the category, you are going to select what we call education. This one. You select education. Now, don't worry. Some people say, okay, how about if my video is about games, it's about whatever activity, whatever. Great. After you select education, you know what? There is another feature. Let me scroll down. Let me show it very well for you. After you select education, there is another options under the education. Okay, that is the type of education you are talking about. All right, so then you select the type of education, click over here. Is it activity? Is it concept overview? Is it how to? That's for tutorials. Is it lecture, problem walkthrough, real life application, science, experiment, tips, and others? Or is it none? You can select none. That's the first one. But over here, mine is how to. So I select the how to. Great. So now after selecting this one, you are going to scroll down. You're going to scroll down to see academic system over here. My goodness. Academic system. Now, since I am currently based in Ghana, or since the location of my channel is set to Ghana, that is why at the academic system, I still have Ghana over here. You understand? So what does that mean? What YouTube is trying to inquire from you is that it wants to know that the video you are publishing, that you say is an education video, which country will it resonate well with them? Which countries do you want to get traffic from? Which countries do you want to get more views from? And so strategically, you just come down here, you wait patiently, and then you select United States of America down here. This one, a lot of people have not even taken time to actually get to find out well. So you see, we have all the countries listed over here. So you are going to select United States of America. Don't forget, we are looking at what to do to get traffic and to get views from the USA. You already have views from your home country. You already have views from the other countries, but you want to get views from the United States of America. But don't worry, those of you who also want to get views from the UK, views from any other country, you pass through the same process. And I've always been saying in this series of videos that they all go together. Now, this one I'm showing you in this part 4. When you finish watching this part 4, implement this. But they don't work alone. Each of them doesn't work alone. So after implementing this particular strategy, watch the part 3 of how to get YouTube views from the USA on this same my channel. Watch the part 2 as well. Watch the part 1 and implement all these strategies that I've actually gotten time to talk about in there, and they're going to help you a lot. Great. So now you have selected United States of America. What you are throwing to this YouTube algorithm is that you are telling them that your video solely resonate to the people in the United States of America. Actually, I'm going to show to you researches I've made, very massive and important researches I have made about this particular one. In fact, there are a lot of research I've been making, and I have also practiced that, and that is why I am getting that number of percentage of views coming from the United States of America. Oh yes, and now America is topping my top geography. So let me show you the research I'm talking about over here, which is going to blow your mind, and why YouTube actually brought this one. Now, someone will say that, okay, so how about if I select the category section, if I select the how to? Let's select the how to, and let me show you something. If you're going to see that we have selected how to, now where is that academic feature? You see, there's no academic feature anymore. You understand? The academic feature is not linked to the how to, the main how to, but it's linked with education. Let us select autos and vehicles. You see, it's not also there. Let us select, let's say, comedy. The academic system is not also there, but the education category. So no matter the niche you find yourself in, ideally your video in one way or the other, maybe you are educating people, so you put it to education. And when you put it to education, straight away you are going to get another option over here, the type, for you to select the particular type that resonates your video. So it's like you get two features. You see, you select the how to, is it a lecture, is it a problem breakthrough, or whatever, and then you have this powerful feature, this powerful setting over here. So it is only when you turn the category to education, per what I've actually researched about and per what I've actually practiced here, it's only the education category that will open this feature for you. And then you try to turn it to United States of America. With this one, it is going to get your videos recommended massively in the United States of America. And when you check over here my videos, a lot of the comments are coming from USA. Oh yes, and a lot of the views are coming from the USA. That is one of the strategies. You understand? There is a second box here. the problems. You see a certain box here. Some other time I will get time to talk about this one. This one is also a mind-blowing thing. And so please do well to actually click on the subscribe button right now if you've not done that, so that you will not miss all these important updates, important tutorials I'm giving over here. My channel is purely about tutorials, how to help you grow your YouTube channel from scratch, so that you can also monetize your channel and get more views and traffic from the USA to be able to increase your revenue. Oh yes. So that is it. Now let me show you the research I'm talking about, and it's in relation to the academic system that you see clearly over here. And hey, it's going to blow your mind. And right after watching the particular video, it's my hope that you practice that, so that it helps you get more views, more traffic from the USA. Great. So you see, it says that if you set the academic system under the education category to USA, here are the key benefits. You understand? So we're going to go through the benefit, and as said earlier, it is actually going to blow your mind as to the benefit you are going to get when you set it to the United States of America. So now let's take them one after the other. Now the first benefit is that it increases your video's visibility in the USA. That is it, straightforward. So when you set the academic system to the USA, you are in your country, but you'll be getting a lot of traffic and a lot of views from the United States of America. Now, YouTube may prioritize your video for viewers in the United States, especially students, teachers, and parents searching for educational content. And that's as simple as that. Your video might appear more in YouTube search results and recommended videos for users in the USA. That is the strategic thing over there. And so please always set the category to education, and then under the education, the academic system, you set it to USA. Now the next and the second benefit is that it helps you target the USA education system and audience. That's as simple as that, and it's detailed over there. So everything about that particular thing, that particular feature, that particular setting over there, that's the academic system over there. It's about United States of America. That is when you set it to that particular country. And so if you want to get more views and more traffic from the USA, you set the academic system to USA in a very smart way. Now let's move straight away to the third, the fourth, and the fifth benefits. So the third benefit states that higher CPM and more ad revenue. Now the USA has one of the highest YouTube ad rates. That's higher CPM and RPM. And so if your video is monetized, you can earn more revenue because advertisers pay more for educational content targeted at the US market. So that is it. That's also another benefit when you set the academic system to the USA. It's going to help you get high CPM and more ad revenue, and it's going to help you get more income from the views that you're going to get from the USA. So that is that one too. Let's get to the fourth and the fifth one. So the number 4 says that it increases chances of being featured in YouTube learning playlist. Now YouTube has educational initiatives that promote learning content, especially those relevant to the USA. So if your content is more relevant to the people in the United States of America, that is it, you are good to go. You understand? So the fact that you should set it to the United States of America doesn't mean that whatever content, even if your content is not resonating to the people in the United States of America, you should set that. No, when you set that, fine, you get the recommendations, but people will not be watching. And so you should also make sure your content, the video you are making, resonate with the people in the United States of America. Now, selecting USA increases your chances of being featured in YouTube learning sections or recommended to educational institutions. My goodness, that is it. Now the last part I'm talking about is better for sponsorships and brand deals. So that is it in general. What this feature is trying to put across is that it is helping you to throw a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm that you want your video to be recommended to the people in the United States of America, the people in the US market. You want to get more views from the USA. You want to get more views, more traffic from the USA. And so basically this is how to get more views from the USA. So be able to practice that. So after knowing all this, as said earlier, do well to watch the first, the second, and the third part of the video talking about how to get more YouTube views from the USA on this my channel. Actually, the links to those videos can be seen at the description of this particular video. And so if you've not watched the first part, the second part, or the third part, then you are missing a lot. As I said earlier, they go together. So be able to implement all these 4 powerful YouTube algorithm hacks so that you can start getting a lot of views and traffic from the United States of America. A lot of people have started getting traction in USA on their channel, on their videos, and I want you to be able to actually get same over there. This is where I bring the video to an end, and I'm sure you've gotten value from this particular video. Let's do well to share this video so it blesses other people as well. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section, and I'll be available to attend to you 24/7 so that we can grow together, we can earn together, and we can generate more revenue together on YouTube over here. Thank you very much. Until we meet next time in the next video, please stay blessed, and if you've not subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button so that the next and the subsequent videos you can always be getting them, so you can also grow your YouTube channel.